Let's shift our attention now to the Delhi Assembly elections. Ahead of the elections, the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party are locked in a fierce war of words over the presence of the Punjab security personnel in the national capital. The BJP has highlighted the influx of vehicles and the Aam Aadmi Party leaders from Punjab in huge numbers and accused Kejriwal of using the Punjab government machinery for his campaign for the upcoming polls. Dozens of Punjab police vehicles have been seen moving around, in several areas, including in Firoz Shah Road in Delhi, in the name of providing security cover to the protectees of the Punjab State Police. The presence of the Punjab Police with cars and the Punjab number plates have also been seen as part of Kejriwal's security and convoy. And he already has a Z+ category. He is a protectee. And there are images that have come in from different locations of Delhi where cars and Punjab Police personnel can be seen in Kejriwal's cavalcade during the campaign. Times Now has also accessed a letter that is dated 6th of January that is written by the Ministry of Home Affairs to the Delhi Police, in which the presence of the Punjab Police as part of Arvind Kejriwal's security team has been flagged off. Following this, the Delhi Police have made several correspondences with the Punjab Police, citing violation of the SOPs by the VIPs. The BJP leaders have also hit out at Kejriwal, accusing him of poll code violation. They also expressed apprehensions of possible security threat ahead of the Republic Day. Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, though, were quick to respond to the BJP candidate Parvesh Marma, calling him a small boy who was challenging Punjabis and branding them as terrorists and traitors. Listen in to the war of words.
सारे मुख्यमंत्री, मंत्री, विधायक, कॉर्पोरेटर, सब कार्यकर्ता आज के दिन में केवल यहाँ पे नई दिल्ली विधानसभा में आकर उन्होंने डेरा डाल दिया है। हजारों की संख्या में यहाँ पे पंजाब के नंबर की गाड़ियां घूम रही हैं। उनमें कौन लोग हैं? यहाँ पे 26 जनवरी को मनाने की तैयारी चल रही है। यहाँ पे क्या ऐसा बड़ा काम करने वाले जिससे हमारी सुरक्षा व्यवस्था को खतरा हो सकता है? और उसके ऊपर में आज हमें पता लगा कि चाइनीज कंपनी के कैमरे, सीसीटीवी कैमरा, जो सरकारी कर्मचारी हैं पंजाब के, उनको बुलाकर, जो वहां के टीचर हैं उनको बुलाकर उनके हाथों से ये कैमरों को लगवाया जा रहा है।
आज ये छोटा सा लड़का दिल्ली के पंजाबियों को, पंजाब के पंजाबियों को चुनौती देने चला है। प्रवेश वर्मा जी ने कहा कि पंजाब की गाड़ियां घूम रही हैं, पता नहीं कौन लोग हैं उनमें। और 26 जनवरी गणतंत्र दिवस के लिए, सुरक्षा के लिए ये खतरा है। तो क्या सारे पंजाबी आतंकवादी हैं? सारे पंजाबी देशद्रोही हैं? क्या सारे पंजाबी देश के लिए खतरा है?
पंजाब के लोग घूम रहे हैं। मेरे पास खुद फोटोग्राफ्स हैं। पंजाब पुलिस के लोग कुछ कैंप्स में कैंपेनिंग कर रहे थे। मैंने भी यहाँ अपने SHO साहब को भी मैंने भेजा है कि इसकी तहकीकात की जाए। और ये बात तो सही है कि इनके बाहर से बहुत से ज्यादा लोग आकर कर रहे हैं। अब CCTV कैमरा क्या लग रहा है, क्या नहीं लग रहा है, अगर ऐसा है तो ये तो आचार संहिता का उल्लंघन है।
My colleague Tejshri is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Tejshri, we just saw the war of words that's taking place over the Punjab police personnel being in the national capital. What does the protocol say? And is the Punjab police in violation of it? Do we know details of whether they have responded to the Delhi police notice being given to them?
Well, you see, first of all, let us talk about the war of words that is underway as far as this entire matter is concerned. So the BJP's...
Okay, all right. We seem to be facing technical difficulties. We'll go back to Tejshri in just a moment. But the MHA had written a letter to the Delhi police flagging it off. Tejshri, back with us. Yes, Tejshri.
Well, yes, absolutely. You see, in fact, the war of words are underway as far as BJP and Aam Aadmi Party are concerned. BJP has first raised...
Facing technical difficulties again. My sincere apologies to our viewers. We'll go back to Tejshri in just a moment. But let's tell you the details of what the MHA had written to the Delhi police. And this is dated 6th of January. It's a Times Now super exclusive. In this letter, concerns had been raised on the presence of the Punjab police in Kejriwal's security. So as part of Arvind Kejriwal's security, the Punjab police were here. And the reason that has been given is that he is already a Z+ protectee. So he enjoys that security from the Delhi police. So there's no reason for the Punjab police to be here. Apart from that, concerns also on the acceptance of the proposal to deploy the Punjab police. So the MHA letter very clearly says don't accept the proposal to deploy Punjab police because under Z plus security, Kejriwal gets around 60 police personnel already. And the Punjab police have also responded to the Delhi police. So let's get you these details as well of what the response was of the Delhi police to the Delhi police. And this, remember, is on the January 18th. So remember the first letter being written by the MHA to the Delhi police, after which the Delhi police has responded. And Punjab police have now responded to the Delhi police. And this letter is dated the 18th of January. Now, this goes on to say that Punjab requested to ensure compliance with the MHA rules, and the police have been asked to coordinate with the special CP as well. And there was full cooperation that will be assured by the Punjab police. So that is a claim that had been made. This is the Punjab DGP's letter to the Delhi Commissioner.